in this video I will show you how to use Snapchat Spotlight. Firstly, when you open up the application and write down, as you can see, you have 5 different options. If you click on the last option, you're gonna see a side section which is, for example, like a TikTok or something like Reels on Instagram, but here this is called Spotlight. Now what you can do right here into that Spotlight on Snapchat, as you can see, you have 4 different buttons, in which in the first one it is by saving sites. For example, if you click on it, as you can see right now, it is saved on your site or it is subscribed to this person right now. If you go on that heart button, as you can see, it is like that Spotlight or this video section. And also if you tap on that shareable button, you can simply take over that video to a friend that you want to take over it, or you can simply copy the site link of this video and take it over whatever you want. Now get back to show you the last section on it, in which is with the 3 dots. Just click on it, and now as you can see, also you have the option to take over and report the snap, or you can simply say that you don't like it, or as you can see right down, you have the option to see from which star it is this video, and also you can find out the sound section on this video.